everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we're gonna be making octopus. This is baby octopus. So watch out and see how I am gonna make this delicious octopus. Oh my god, it's called baby octopus. It's time to add this octopus. So these are the octopus. You can see I have to boil it for at least 20 minutes. And these are the garlic. I have to add the garlic. And I will add salt. Just have to let it cook for some minutes before we will start the preparation. So right now we just have to leave it here to cook. Added some oil to the pan. This is the oil. I'm going to be adding onions. These are the onions. And I will be adding ginger. This is the ginger. Add some ginger to it. Just gonna mix everything together. So right now I'm gonna be adding the cooked octopus. These are the cooked octopus. These are all the cooked octopus. So right now I will be adding the pepper mix. These are tomatoes and peppers. Make it like a steak. And just add a little bit of water to rest it. So right away we're gonna be adding seasoning, and we're gonna be adding a little bit of herbs, thyme leaf. Just like that. Just gonna let it cook for another 5 minutes. Wow, it's ready, and it's time to serve this octopus. So good. And I hope you all will enjoy it, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. So it's time to go serve this sweet, crunchy, succulent octopus. So this is the octopus and roasted yam. So I wish all of you will enjoy this wonderful recipe. I thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel. And this is the yam with octopus. So you can see how wonderful. This is so good. I hope you all will enjoy it. Thank you all for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and also give it a thumbs up. Thank you all. Bye for now.